You're with me, Raju, editor-in-chief at transformationchampions.com. And I am doing a series of interviews with corporate and wellness leaders. Today, I'm with nutritionist Aditi Prabhu, who's a qualified clinical dietitian and sports nutritionist. She is a nutrition coach, certified diabetic educator, nutrigenomics counselor, public speaker, food blogger, writer, and palmist. She's a black belt in karate and trained in yoga. She's here with us to share her thoughts on the importance of nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Now over to Aditi. Good afternoon, Aditi. How are you doing?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm doing great. I hope you're doing well too.
Yeah, I'm doing excellent, Aditi. Thank you for that. Let me start my questions, Aditi. So
Yes.
basically, what are your daily routines, particularly with respect to food and workout, to take care of your own wellness?
When it comes to food, I am the one who takes care of the food department at home.
Okay.
I do the grocery shopping. I do the cooking. So the food is always in my hands. I also grow my own food a little bit, whatever I can in the urban gardens in Mumbai. So that's how I take care of the food. And the food is normally based on each and every member of the family, their health requirements and medical conditions, and the meals are planned as per that. Apart from that, as for the other things that I do, I have work and food, the routine balance that is there. So I have my own clinic, so I'm my own boss. I can go work as per my convenience at my time. So it gives me the leeway to do other things as well. It gives me time to focus on my meditation, yoga, do whatever the workout routines that I have that are required. Of course, unlike most people, I cannot do hardcore workouts anymore because I have a condition called as fibromyalgia, which limits my workouts. But that's my overall routine.
Very much. I think you have covered almost everything. I say you have a garden, you are growing your own food, you cook food, and you do a lot of yoga, meditation, and other things as well. It's a totally comprehensive daily routine. It's really good to hear that. And being an expert in the field, right? What would you say are some of your core principles as a nutritionist?
Okay. So for me, if you ask me my core principles, one, I totally believe in holistic nutrition.
Okay.
Now, we live in an era where everybody is looking at specialization.
Right.
This person is specialized in this, the other one is specialized in that. What happens is you don't get that one platform or one person where you can go and ask. I'm not saying I'm that one touch point where I'll give you all information, but I can at least guide you as to what needs to be done and who you need to approach.
Yeah.
So my aim is giving a holistic nutrition base to everybody, which encompasses your mental health, your new food requirements, your lifestyle changes. So that is one of my core principle. Apart from that, I really believe in sustainable living and going local. So that is something I try to incorporate in my practice.
Right.
And I prefer my customers or clients also to take up those values while they are coming to me and leaving. So I want more and more people to go into local food, local ingredients, and explore the huge diversity that we have. And lastly, to make nutrition accessible to everybody.
Very good.
See, there are people working to the higher end society.
Yeah.
What we need to focus on is people who are from the lower middle class or the lower income group, and that's where I focus on.
Very glad to hear about your core principles, Aditi. And but I See, it's definitely the whatever the principles we have, there could be some challenges in implementing these principles, right? So, particularly as a nutritionist, what are those challenges, Aditi?
Uh, there are quite a lot of challenges, trust me. And main being today's people, somehow they want everything quick.
Yeah.
They want quick results. They want everything super fast.
Yeah.
What happens is health doesn't work that way.
Right.
I'm not Harry Potter who will transform you within seconds.
Correct.
You need to take charge of your health. It takes a longer process. You have to approach health in a holistic way.
Right.
And that takes time. It's a lifestyle. So this is one concept that people are not somehow ready to accept, that it takes time and they will have to put in efforts. That is one little challenge that I feel. The second one is we live in an era that is super fast. We are doing grocery shopping online and buying things online. So we are looking at convenience. So what happens is, when I look at promoting local food, if you know, you work in the field, you would know that local ingredients, you'll get them in the local market with the local farmers and the local vendors.
Yes.
That is not something that is easily accessible on Amazon. And even if it's available on Amazon, the cost price difference is huge.
Right.
The same nachni that is available at the Banyawala and the same nachni that is available on Amazon, it's like triple X the amount. So that is one limitation where I'm actually telling people, get out of your house, take your children, go to the market, enjoy the whole process of buying, choosing your ingredients. So these are a couple of things that I face a problem with, but I won't say it's a problem. I think with every time I face a challenge, it's an even more challenging experience to overcome it. So it's fun working because every client, there's a different approach that I take.
Very good. I think what you're saying is go out, enjoy uh, the shopping as well as picking up, choosing a set of
Yes,
nutrition products, right? So that could be fruits, vegetables, or whatever they choose. Is go to the market, local market, and see, use,
absolutely.
and buy, right?
Yes,
Yeah. And you were talking about all the challenges, Aditi, but there could be a lot of successes in your practice, right, as a nutritionist. What are the successes you've
I
got?
think every case where you make a little difference in somebody's life is a success. A person who's buying things from Amazon comes and tells me, Aditi, I've gone to the market and the cost price is different. I could choose my vegetables. I could talk to the vendors. The expression on their face, the happiness that they get is amazing. Somebody who's not cooked goes into the kitchen, cooks it, and has their own meal. That is amazing. I think these, for me, these little things are success, because these little things together are going to become a huge thing for me. And with every client, I set these little targets that they can set on, and they can enjoy the success too, which becomes even more interesting. Apart from this, when there are cases where I can actually make a significant difference in medical cases, where you're dealing with PCOD patients and the symptoms have gone down drastically, or there's reversal of diabetes that has happened, it is amazing experience being a part of people's journey when they're transforming their own life. Is a learning experience for us mentors or coaches too, because as much as we put the effort, the client is putting double the effort. We're just being the support system and the knowledge point for them. So it's a mind-blowing experience, and I could, like, I have a decade-year-old experience in the field now, so the number of success stories are huge, and I could just go on and on with every single success story, because for me every case is a success, no matter where, what, even if it's little. I think it's a success story.
I totally agree with you, Aditi. Even if it is little, yeah, it's a success story, and we have to celebrate success as well. Right? So, absolutely.
and celebrate it in the right way.
Good. And coming to lifestyle disease, right? So, what do you think are the main causes of lifestyle diseases like diabetes, the BP, asthma, depression, and many others, right? So, what do you think?
You've actually answered your own question.
Okay.
It's lifestyle diseases. It's caused by lifestyle. If you have to, I have to elaborate it. What in your lifestyle causes these disorders?